Hello mga kanyarap! At ito, titikim tayo ng chicken rotisserie with biryani rice. Ayan, authentic from Y Chicken sa Amang Rodriguez Avenue, Santolan, Pasig. So di sinasadya na padaan, walang pila, so bumaba kami ng sasakyan. At ito, mag-avail kami at titikman namin ang kanilang pinagmamalaking rotisserie chicken with biryani rice. Ayan o. Nyarap. At syempre, order tayo. And di tayo pa huli, magkakabit tayo ng nyarap sticker. So ayan, pinayagan tayo ng may-aring Lebanese na taga-Lebanon na nasa Pilipinas para magtinda ng rotisserie chicken here dito sa Pasig. Alright? So ayan, nakakabit na natin sa taas kanina.
Invite them to go to your, invite the viewers.
What I assure you, okay, 100% authentic from Middle East, from Lebanon.
Oh.
Okay, when you come here, you taste the authentic Middle East biryani and roasted chicken.
Alright.
That's it. Okay, you eat the real, no editing, no Photoshop. Come see. Look what we have here. Not chicken. Here a gold. We sell gold here. Our chicken is a gold.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Look, the golden chicken. Marinated overnight. Okay, to give you the best taste ever you will taste. Okay? Why chicken?
Why chicken?
You will know why after you will taste.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yarap.
So yun na nga, sa bahay na tayo. Take-out counter lang ang Y Chicken. So sa bahay natin kakainin. So eto ang kanilang chicken biryani rice. May kasama siyang garlic mayo and chili red sauce. Ayan, may kasamang biryani rice chicken. So whole chicken yan, nagpa-price sa 300 pesos. Pero para siyang spring chicken eh. So te-taste natin, okay? So syempre, titikman muna natin yung chicken nang walang sauce. Kasi overnight daw nila minamarinate to. So taste natin. Ano? Middle Persian food na Persian food ng lasa. Middle East na Middle East. So itatry natin itong garlic mayo. Tapos lagyan natin ng rice, biryani rice. Good siya. Tapos tikman natin yung chili red sauce. Chili red sauce with rice. Spicy. Overall, nyarap. Arabong-arabo ang lasa. So yun lang. Try nyo ang Y Chicken Manila along Amang Rodriguez Avenue sa Santolan, Pasig. Okay, salamat. Nyarap.